Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to connect PayPal to TikTok. Alright, so let's begin with the video. One simple way to do this is by adding PayPal as a payout method within the app. Start by opening TikTok and heading to your profile section on the right side. From there, access your menu by tapping on 3 lines and look for the option related to your assets or balance. Tap on Balance to continue. Inside the Balance section, find the small arrow next to your estimated balance and tap on it. After that, look toward the top right corner and select the option for payout methods. Once you're there, choose PayPal as your preferred payout option. If you're trying to add it as a payment method instead, you can do that through your Google Play or App Store account settings. But here, we're focusing on adding it as a payout method. Next, you'll need to verify your email address. After verification, you can either link an existing PayPal account or add a new one. Enter the email address or phone number connected to your PayPal account, then complete the login process using your password or any required authentication. Once you're signed in, your PayPal account will be successfully connected to TikTok. And that's it. So that's basically how you can connect PayPal to TikTok. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.